Ladies and gents, we are here to make some mother effing money, and we are going to be talking about the CKB Crypto Charts Nervos Network, folks. But before we get started, this is not financial trading advice. I am a crazy guy drawing charts and talking on YouTube, so let's just get into this. I've been out sick the last week. It's been brutal. Maybe the last week and a half. I'm starting to finally recoup back up. So we're only talking about the charts today. I have been out of it. I don't know what's going on with the news. I haven't been following CKB close or any of the other cryptocurrencies close. Up 0.7% on the day, up 1.5% up on the day, and down 15 on the week, down 22% on the month. But that doesn't matter because the whole entire crypto market, with the exception of PP coin, Pepe, is up. Generally, the market is red today, and it's been red the last few days, right? We're looking at the daily chart. Now, this is something that really stinks for Nervos. And when we look at a traditional chart, right, we can see that we had a very nice support from December that has now been broken. So I'm hoping that this isn't bad for Nervos Network, CKB. But really, when we look at this, this is more of a defined ABCDE corrective wave than this little corrective wave that I thought might have happened the last time we did some technical analysis. And the last time I did some technical analysis, I was kind of telling people that we are on the line. Like, this price is gearing up to move and move heavily. We just didn't know which way it was going to go. But there was that symmetrical triangle squeeze, and now we are seeing the price bleed off. But unfortunately, on this daily chart, folks, we have lost the opportunity to pass through this really easy part of the Ichimoku cloud. But I'm hoping that we see a little bit of resilience here in the price, because personally I think that we're going to see a symmetrical triangle form out, and I'm hoping that we see price at least kind of wing back up this way and at least try to retest this support line and get back on top of it. So it's going to be very interesting, to say the least, as to what happens with our beloved CKB. Now, there is, when we look at this daily chart, the RSI, folks, I mean, it's definitely in the tank. We're seeing this thing right now. It's at 21, 22 points. So this thing is definitely wanting to rebound here quickly or soon. Really, when it comes down to it, we might be even seeing, you know, some sort of a falling wedge maybe form at some point here. We'll just have to keep our eyes on the prize. Excuse me. I've been coughing. My throat's all messed up from being sick, etc. But right now, this is pretty much like a channel. So we got Elliott wave theory, you know, ABC corrective wave that is happening right now. Woo! Excuse me, folks. And we're getting a little bit of a rebound here in the last few hours with CKB. So we've got an opportunity for price to maybe come back up. And I would suspect that the next line of resistance is going to be this baseline Ichimoku cloud. And I think that's going to be around 0.00338-ish. If we can break through that, which possibly could be easy at this point. I do think that maybe somewhere up in this 0.0035-ish area might be an area that CKB could climb through. And if we can break through it and slingshot through this weak part of the Ichimoku cloud, and maybe by this Friday pass through it, we might have a chance at 0.003968. It just stinks to see price just bleeding out like this. So right now, when we look at this on a grander scale, I just want to go ahead and throw up a Fibonacci retracement. You guys can see on a grander scale how price has come right down to the 786, which is a semi-common reversal point, folks. 786, 127, those are great areas for price to reverse. So I'm hoping that's what we're going to get here, and hoping that we can make this change and this reversal. But for now, we're really just going to have to wait and see what happens. I mean, on the hourly chart, it appears that we've got a very nice bull pennant. So I do think that it would be in order to come up to that 0.00355-ish level, somewhere in there, to meet this 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart, folks. And then maybe some of those other points that I had mentioned. Now, folks, if you guys want a chance to win some free crypto, I've got an opening, or a contest going on that you could win 50 ICP tokens, which you could instantly transfer and convert into CKB if you want. No different from me than offering Bitcoin or Ethereum. I just happen to have a lot of ICP on hand. So with that said, just head on over to my group on Open Chat. It's called the Trade Tank. All you got to do is sign up, and all you got to do is join. And hey, you might find something useful in that, because we talk about trading, trade setups, and things like that. Last March, folks, I warned people in the Trade Tank. I said, watch this setup happen. And it was for the Voyager Therapeutics stock. March, I warned people about this. Ascending triangle. This might be a great options play. I had to wait a month and a half, but I increased my portfolio 69% off that single trade. So that was awesome. We'll see you guys all in the next video. I love you all. Want a chance to win 50 ICP? That is right, folks. Join the Trade Tank. Join the Trade Tank. There is no participation. There is no purchase necessary. All you got to do is join by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment. And the Trade Tank is a community, folks, dedicated to trading the markets. Doesn't matter if it's Forex. Doesn't matter if it's futures. Doesn't matter, folks, if it's options or crypto trading. We want you in the Trade Tank. And if you don't have an internet identity, because the Trade Tank is built upon Definity's internet computer, you could go ahead and create one, and that will allow you to seamlessly navigate through the ICP ecosystem. You might as well check it out while you're there. So, Trade Tank, folks, that's where you want to be. All you got to do is enter for a chance to win the grand prize of 50 ICP, which we will be giving away once the Trade Tank hits 500 members. So, I love you all. We'll see you in the Trade Tank.